guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Vin Mary. Today's videos guys is all about tutorial tayo. So I'm gonna teach you how to put branding watermark in our YouTube videos. So bago ako magsimula guys sa aking tutorial, gusto ko lang magbigay ng review about bakit nga ba kailangan natin maglagay ng branding watermark sa ating videos. So ito, ini-encourage na mag-subscribe sa ating channel yung ating viewers. Saka pag meron tayong inad na watermark sa ating channel, so over the watermark in our YouTube, so automatic siya direct na magsusubscribe sa ating channel. So note lang guys, kung nakapaglagay tayo ng branding watermark na nakaset na made for kids na video. So, pag nakalagay na tayo guys ng watermark sa ating video, the viewers, hindi siya makikita ang watermark. So, let's get started our tutorial guys. So, keep on watching. You need to click the Google Chrome. We go to Google Chrome. Then after, you need to type www.youtube.com. Enter it. Then after that, you can see the three dot on the upper right corner. Just click it, the three dot. Then after that, after you click, you can see the new tab, new incognito tab, bookmarks, recent tabs, history, downloads, share, find page, add to home screen, desktop site. Then choose a desktop site. Just put a check on it inside the box. Nice. Your profile appear on it on the screen. Just click the channel icon, your channel icon. Then after that, you choose setting. There is you can see your channel, feed membership, YouTube Studio, switch account, sign out. Then you choose setting. We go to setting, just click it. And after you click it, you can see this on your dashboard. Then you can see your channel icon here, your profile. Then on the lower part, you can see on your lower part of your channel icon, you can see the channel status in feature, create a new channel, then view advanced setting. Just click it. Then after that, you can see here the copyright status here. Kung meron kayong copyright, dito nyo siya makikita. Saka community guidelines strike. Then sa taas niya, sa channel icon again, makita nyo yung Creator Studio sa right corner. Then click nyo siya, yung Creator Studio. I-zoom lang guys, zoom lang tayo ng zoom. Kasi maliit yung ating screen. Then click it. Then after that, makita natin yung ating Creator Studio. Sa Creator Studio, makita dashboard, video manager, live streaming, community, channel, analytics, translation, and create. Then hanapin natin yung ating channel. Then click it. After nyo na-click nyo siya, ayan, makikita natin yung sa baba ng channel, yung status and feature, monetization, and upload defaults, then yung branding. Then click it. Sorry guys, mabagal ang internet. Then after that, makikita natin yung branding watermark. Then sa lower part niya, meron siyang add a watermark na rectangle. Just click on it. Then after na-click nyo, yan ang mag-a-appear sa ating screen. The for best result, use transparency in just one color. Saka yung ating picture, kailangan less 1 MB. Then, meron tayong makita dyan yung choose file, then click it. Then, after that, mag-a-appear sa ating screen ito, lahat ng picture na nakasave sa ating gallery. Kailangan pumili tayo ng isa para gawing branding watermark sa ating video. Then, click it. Then, open. Diyan siya guys. Mag-upload na siya. Hintayin natin na makapag-upload. Bali, yung picture na clinic natin, yun, mag-a-appear dyan. Ayan siya. Nakita natin guys yung sample. Nag-appear na yung picture ko. Your upload watermark. Then, after that, at the lower part, makita natin yung save. Kailangang i-save natin siya. Then, click save. Then, after that, mag-a-appear sa screen natin yung display time. Then, sa right side, i-click natin yung triangle na pabaliktad. Para mag-appear yung pagpipilian natin kung saan magsimula. Yan, in a video, custom start time, then entire video. Kung gusto nyo yung entire video, click nyo siya. Bali yun. Pag entire guys, mula si start ang dito na po nagtatapos ang ating video. Sana po sa susunod kong vlog, nandyan pa rin po kayo at manood sa aking video na gagawin. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please guys, subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification button para po ma-update po kayo sa aking mga bagong video na i-upload. So, bago ako magtapos sa aking video na ito, gusto ko lang i-shout out yung taong palaging nandyan. So, Sharkons Bilag, Canada, Wu Miming TV, Mary Nicole Cagasan Bilag, Siva Team, Don Cocote de la Mancha, Nature Lover in Germany, and the last, Charity Nakayo. Salamat guys sa lahat ng inyong walang sawang pagsusuporta at sa lahat ng aking organic viewers. Sana po sa susunod pang mga araw nandyan pa rin kayo. Yan siya guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye!